Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear audience, today our video topic is 14 August speech. Speech for 14 August Independence Day celebration. Assalamu alaikum. Dear audience, and welcome to our Independence Day celebration. Today we gather to commemorate the 27th anniversary of our beloved country, Pakistan. On this day, in 1947, our ancestors achieved the impossible and created a separate homeland for Muslims. We remember the sacrifices of our national heroes, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and Allama Muhammad Iqbal, who envisioned a separate nation for us. Dear audience, we celebrate the bravery and resilience of our forefathers who fought for our freedom and struggled to build a new nation from scratch. Dear audience, we honor the memory of our martyrs who laid down their lives for our country's defense and prosperity. Dear audience, today we also acknowledge the progress we have made as a nation and the challenges we still face. We pledge to work together to build a prosperous, peaceful, and progressive Pakistan. Dear audience, let us reiterate our commitment to the values of unity, faith, and discipline, which are the foundation of our nation. As we celebrate our independence, let us also remember the importance of number one, unity. Let us put aside our differences and work together for the betterment of our country. Faith. Let us have faith in ourselves, our country, and our abilities. Discipline. Let us be disciplined in our thought, words, and actions. Let us also remember the Kai's message of hope. Let us have hope for a better future. Courage. Let us have the courage to face challenges. Resilience. Let us be resilient in the face of adversity. As we move forward, let us work together to strengthen our economy, improve our education system, enhance our healthcare facilities, promote peace and security. Let us make Pakistan a country where everyone has access to quality education. Dear audience, everyone has access to health care and everyone has equal opportunities. Let us make Pakistan a country where we can live with pride, dignity, and freedom. Long life Pakistan, Pakistan Zindabad, Pakistan Paindabad. Thank you audience for listening. Dear audience, if you like this video and speech, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.